Hey there, it's Amelia. In this video, I'll show you how to freeze panes as well as split the screen in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. So why would you need to freeze panes? Well, it could come in really handy with lengthy worksheets where you want to be able to keep a portion of the top of your worksheet visible. For instance, I want to be able to scroll down and still see the headings that are in this row 7, which is in red. So right now, if I scroll down, you'll see that it'll disappear. So I want to be able to keep that particular row visible, and in addition I want to be able to see the titles in column B. So right now if I scroll over to the right, I will not be able to see the titles because they'll disappear from the screen. So in this case, all I have to do is click in cell C8, which is right here, and then from the View tab in the ribbon, click Freeze Panes, and in the pull down for Freeze Panes, I just select Freeze Panes. And then when I do so, you'll see that when I scroll down, row 7 and above will remain, and column B and to the left will remain if I scroll to the right. In addition to being specific about freezing panes in a particular row where you want to freeze above and to the left, you can also in the freeze panes select freeze top row only or freeze first column only. Now if you decide that you want to remove the freeze panes, all you have to do is return back to the freeze panes pull down and select unfreeze panes. Okay, so in addition to freezing panes, I want to talk about split screen. Just like Microsoft Word has a way to split the document into two portions, you can also split your worksheet in Microsoft Excel. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is decide where you want to split, and let's just say I want to split starting at row 15. From the View tab in the ribbon, I'll just click Split. And when I do so, you'll see that the top portion has its own independent vertical scroll bar, and the bottom portion below my split also has its own vertical scroll bar. Okay, well that's all there is to it, to freezing panes and splitting the screen in Microsoft Excel. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.